Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a mega Christmas gift haul showing you everything I've gotten for Christmas this year, from Love Shack Fancy Stanleys to White Fox. It is all here for you guys, so make sure to like this video, subscribe if you have not already to be entered in a Lululemon giveaway. I'll be announcing that winner at 90,000 subscribers, and I'll also have my P.O. box in the description down below in case you want to send me any fan mail, PR, or gifts for me to unbox on a live video like this. Let's get into today's video. Okay, so I have this huge box to the left of me right now, and I'm very, we're just gonna start on the top, okay? We have the Love Shack Fancy Stanley. Look at this, the design, the little bows with the little red and green roses are absolutely adorable. I already started using it. I already have some water in there right now. Number two, I got this absolutely adorable mini travel case for my jewelry. It's about as big as my face, so it's super compact, super cute. Look at that gorgeous teal color. It has more back there, some right there, and even a little mirror in it as well. Next, they got me this cute little wristlet. Love these colors. They're so neutral, so cute. A display area right here for my license, and some more little places to put some more credit cards, debit cards, etc. So I cannot wait to be using this. Let's get into the next thing. Next, I got some Kendra Scott jewelry. Now, I'm gonna be completely honest, I already opened this and I'm already wearing it right now. Actually, look. It is this bee necklace, and OMG, I am obsessed with this. It actually stands for Bella and Ben. If you don't know, Ben is my boyfriend. He's absolutely amazing. So, speaking of Ben, he actually got me this cute little Bulbasaur. Oh my gosh, it's our favorite little Pokemon. Cute little Bulbasaur. Ah, I love it. So cute. Love you, babe. Starting off, we have these off-brand Ugg shoes, but honestly, like, they're so cute and so comfortable. Like, I don't even care that they're off-brand. They have an adjustable strap in the back. I normally don't wear platforms because I'm already 5'9". I'm pretty tall for a girl, but these platforms I actually really like, so I definitely will be wearing. Next, we have this Laneige mini sleeping mask kit. This comes with berry, grapefruit, and mint cocoa as well. Just look at this. This is so gorgeous, and I even unboxed some for you guys, so I'm going to show you what they look like out of the packaging. So we have the berry one right here. We also have the grapefruit, the mint cocoa right here. I love that gorgeous blue color. And then we have the apple lime. I cannot wait to try these out. Make sure to stay tuned because I would definitely be doing a video about that. We have their gummy bear glowy balm. This is a refill. I already have one of these and I'm literally obsessed with it. Look at that. Literally so adorable. Going on to these Stanley straws. Our foreign exchange student Kathy actually got me these. Mwah. I love you, Kathy. You're the best. It has all the different shades of pink Stanley straws in here. Okay, next we have a lot of socks. We have these absolutely cute black and white bow ones. Some more basic black and white bows. Look at these. These are like one of my favorites I got. I'm gonna make a statement piece. Like for some type of floral outfit, I think I have the perfect top. I have the perfect top. Let me show y'all. Look at this. You see this top and you see these? Oh my gosh. That's literally so adorable. You could not even tell me it's not. Like, look at that. Oh my gosh. And then with the Uggs and then the jeans. We have an outfit, guys. We are the cute little pink bows. They match a pair of pajamas I got. I got socks for every occasion, babes. Look at this brownish orange background. I love this. Cute little fall socks. Out of 10. Love my socks. Those are probably one of my favorite presents I got, or the whole little sock collection. You cannot tell me this is absolutely adorable. The texture on this is so smooth too. Like, I cannot get over it. And it has a little cowboy boot charm and a little pink bow charm. As you can see, it kind of looks like a gender reveal. You know, I'm a dancer and I like to run track and jump, so of course I had to get some Epsom salt. Yeah, the struggle is real, but I literally love this Dr. Teal's Epsom salt. It's literally been a lifesaver for me this track season. This light travel kit, this is to put some of my YouTube equipment in, like my microphones, my camera. Okay, now guys, I got a lot of jewelry. I got this cute little chain. I haven't opened this yet, so I don't know if it's like a necklace or a bracelet. Don't really know what we're going for there, but you know, got that cute little chain. I got another cute gold claw clip. Now, if y'all know me, I am a gold girl, like through and through. I also got both of these earrings. The second hole ones are so cute, and then these cute little bows. Love it. For my keychain, I'm probably going to give this to Brinley because I already had one and she really wanted one, but she didn't get one. So I'm probably going to get this one to her. It has this cute little bee on this kind of white circle. And then I got the little pearls. I have been needing pearls. Like, I would love to wear this with this outfit. Adorable cross bracelet. Now look, this is so cute. Jesus, I love my Jesus. He's done so much for me. So I am so pumped up to get that. Love it. The moment y'all have been waiting for. We got this adorable white fox hoodie. This is in the volume 3. This is so comfy. I literally love it so much. All right, next we're getting into some of the clothing items, like the thicker clothing. This is so me. Oh my gosh, love this. These bright colors are reflecting my personality very well, if I do say so myself. Then we have this stinking adorable. It's giving. I'm into the pink and orange right now, if you cannot tell. That's what we're going for. I look like a Bioma bottle. You know what I'm saying? Like, they always put the cute colors that look cute, but you would never think that go together. That's the inspo for me. That is so me. Like, this one is just so me. It says weekends, coffee, and hockey. Now, I love watching hockey. It's one of my favorite sports, if not my favorite sport to watch. So this one is perfect for me. And then I'm about to stand up and show you all my final gift. If you're still here, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And comment down below to be entered in a Lululemon giveaway. I'll be announcing that winner at 90,000 subscribers. That's still a dream to say. Like, I always hesitate before I say it because I'm like, I don't know if this is real or not, but it's real because of you guys, so y'all are amazing. Let's get to 100K. Now I got these holographic pants. They're cargo pants, but they look so cute. Love that. Look at that. That is so gorgeous. That was my final thing for today's video, guys. Like this video, subscribe if you haven't already. You do not want to miss out on that Lululemon giveaway. Make sure to check out my P.O. box down below in the description because fantabulous day, guys. And if you tag me in your Christmas gift hauls, I would love to watch them and subscribe to your channel. Y'all stay positive and have a fantabulous day.